Yes, I cook with memories. I made this video about 4 years ago after I had my heart event that put me in the hospital and the rehab for 2 months. I came home in a wheelchair, barely walk or talk, and I decided to start making YouTube videos just to prove that I could. And I had a question on one of my first videos: why do you cook?
Good morning. Hope all of y'all are doing good. Had a question the other day about what got me into cooking. I think it's about memories. These are all utensils from my grandmothers and aunts that were handed down. My lunch kit that my dad used for many years. Feed scoop that we fed our cattle with for 40 years. Dippers to dip milk out of the chiller container when I worked for a dairy. And my prize, my mother's rolling pin.